Guys, it's really good to challenge yourself every day.
Hey! Ako si Jericho. Tamad ako magtrabaho kaya I started my own business. Dan dahil sa isang influencer at celebrity, medyo nakilala ang business ko. Welcome to a life of simple, poor business owner.
Nagtatalo kayo, terno pala yan. Haluin ng mantika.
Naglunong to?
Salpikaw? Ang tagal naman ng salpikaw ni Chef Kiel.
Wait lang, ang dami. First time ko magluto ng ganito kadami.
Yung daming food.
Hindi, mababag yung nga. Nakain sila yung palakay.
Feeling ko ako yun. Parang Jericho yan.
Di pa. International pa na ngayon.
Sarap.
Wala ba sinasabi sa international pa lang? Hong Kong silang
Ano yun? Bye-bye! Uy, kumuwi kayo dito. Kunyari, babay talagang totoo. Bye guys. Ingat kayo. Bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Nandito kami sa grocery store ni Aling Puring. Hey! I won! So yung mga bagay talagang nag-e-effort ka pero baliwala lang yung effort mo. basta talaga nakakita ako ng takoyaki. Ay, nako. Antok na kami. Hindi na sobrang antok na kami. Minsan, kung ano pa yung mura, yun pa yung masarap. Yung takoyaki na abot kaya. Ang presyo. Para sa Jologs ko na dila, ano na sa akin to? 7 out of 10. Masarap na to. Good morning everybody. It's an awesome Sunday today. We are here at Ayala. Walang kotse, ang sarap ang bike. Whew.
I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn up the television now. Set me in the corner now. In Technicolor's your bed, oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting on my
And then
features.
may bumipitik.
Everything you needed, don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations will silently pull the strings and watch me.
Sali naman ako sa selfie.
I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. More in pieces inside you pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that.
Bienvenue à tous et à toutes au championnat interstellaire de tennis. L'usage d'appareils de téléportation, la transportation cinématique, ainsi que la photographie avec flash et strictement laser durant le match.
I wonder what you dream about. You're smoking out the window. Oh, darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star too. Grow legs and start talking. Walking right beside you. Cut off the strings and put me down. Tell me what I'm missing. Oh, I never listen to the crickets on my shoulder. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations will silently pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. Don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. War in pieces inside you pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that.
May nakalimutan akong gawin. Magkape. Okay, this coffee is recommended by Ate. Ate, what's this coffee again?
De la part de tous vos amis du CIT, merci, ta bienvenue.
Nakaiwan daw ng phone. Okay, so we need to go home now kasi may church kami ng 11 a.m. It's already 9:30. It's been a long time since yung last na nag-walk ako dito. I can still remember na nag-OJT ako dito sa Ayala. Like grabe, hindi ka pwede mabagal maglakad dito kasi lahat ng tao nagmamadali. It's really good to challenge yourself every day. Kung hindi man everyday, siguro once a week. Challenge yourself. Hamunin mo yung sarili mo. Kaya mo yan. Alam mo, before, sabi ko, gigising ako ng 5, gigising ako ng 7. Pero hindi nangyayari before. Pero ngayon, if you discipline yourself, if you challenge yourself, pwede pala, possible pala. Like, ang sarap sa feeling pag fulfill mo yung or na-achieve mo yung kailangan mong gawin or sinabi mo sa sarili mo na gigising ka ng maaga, tapos magigising ka talaga ng maaga, tapos magagawa mo yung plano mo. Sobrang sarap sa feeling. Nakakainis talaga pag meron kang tropa na nagbabike, nakita ka na may dala kang bike, tapos naglalakad ka. Sabi na, ano ba yan? May dalang bike. Tapos naglalakad. Mga tropa mo talaga, kahit saan ipapahiya ka eh. Picture pa ako dun sa gitna, 10 o'clock na. Yari tayo kay mother, late tayo. Nalaman na atali lang di ako naligo. Binigyan nila ako madaming Rexona.
Teka, sino ba yung Jerbalu?